Hi everyone, welcome back to Makan Maven. In this series, we are going to share with you a quick and easy way to prepare stir-fry leek with Chinese sausage. Check out the video description for full recipe. The waxy casing from Chinese sausage may be difficult to remove. Just place the sausage in a steamer for about 10 minutes, it will then come off easily. Mince 4 cloves of garlic. Next, cut off roots of the leek and slice at a diagonal. Leek has a mild garlicky flavor, pungent, somewhat sharp in flavor. It is never usually the main star of a dish, but you will be surprised by how this dish turns out to be. After 10 minutes, the waxy casing from the Chinese sausage should puff up. Remove the waxy casing and slice them diagonally. In a wok, heat up cooking oil. Saute garlic and add in the leek bulk. We separate the leaves later as they take a shorter amount of time to cook. Add soy sauce to give the leek a slight charred aroma. Next, place in the Chinese sausage. Finally, add in the leafy leek and stir fry all ingredients. Here you go, stir-fry leek with Chinese sausage.